got a little bit extra room here. Hold on.
You do? Yeah, if you don't mind.
A little bit extra room there.
I don't mind if you don't.
There we go. How about awesome? That's about all the room you get. No more.
And that is already recording, so as soon as he's back, you guys are good to go. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave here.
Chuck Power.
Bill Powell.
Okay, 9 points.
Mohammed, where are you? Mohammed?
You want to do one pitch?
John Beltry.
Okay. Go ahead and
Which one do you want to play?
just wait. Yeah.
I'm not there yet.
Jonathan, are you out here somewhere? Part of you?
Jeremy Shea. Jerry Shea's right there. Who is looking for Larry Brown?
Constantine?
Abraham? Robert Mexico?
I got you. One sec.
Vincent Chow?
We are going to be starting penalty points in just about 5 minutes, so please, if you don't have your opponent, make sure you're up here and making it known.
You got lucky in the first round draw. I usually play in the advance and decided to punch above my weight class this year.
Chuck Power?
It's all good.
Janet Phoenix.
Live in West Virginia, you said?
Yes, sir. Good luck and play well.
Thank you. Give me 1 second.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, no worries. Just chilling.
Forward.
What's that? 0-0.
Can they actually see that? We should put it a little bit over this way, so they can actually see it.
I mean, we can just set it to 9-0 now. That's probably how this sucker's going to end up going.
Don't be doing that on me.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's see. 9 minutes each.
Yeah.
Let's do this. We'll put the cube like that so you can see it. Okay.
All right. Works.
And you can drop them both. You're black. I'm white.
Okay.
All right. Good match.
Good match. So let's put that to play, I guess. Right?
Yes. And then centered. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
Oh, I got it. Okay. You're the white shirt.
Yeah. So you can go ahead and do it. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt with you in progress, but please, if you haven't already silenced your phone, please do so.
That's right. Yeah. I know you're good.
Sorry, who else did you say?
George. But yeah.
There he is.
Stay up there.
It's really irritating that you keep hitting me. Be a nicer guy.
And I'm awful at counting this, so sorry about this.
Okay.